Talið að yfir 100.000 manns hafi látist í jarðskjálftanum á Haítí í gærkvöldi.
Og líkurnar á að fólk finnist á lífi í rústunum á Haítí fara minnkandi með hverjum klukkutímanum.
Neyðarástand ríkir í landinu og margir eru fastir í rústum húsa sem hrundu.
All these accidents that happen follow the dot. Coincidence makes sense only with you. You don't have to speak. I feel emotional landscapes. They pass on me. The riddle gets solved, and you push me up to this state of emergency. How beautiful to be state of emergency.
We're there, we're going out, we're trying to do our best to find those kids and to find those families for those kids, to reunite the families together.
Emotional landscapes, they pass on me. The riddle gets solved, and you push me up to this state of emergency.
Every